Jungle.
It is Contact Form 7 by Takeuchi Mayoshi, developed by Takeuchi Mayoshi. Here you can see download link. It is the wordpress.org's official pages. So here you can see their plugin version, last update, active installation. Unbelievable, 5 million active installation, WordPress version 5.5 or higher, tested with 5.8, and lot of language is selected. So here you can see their ratings and 5-star. Here you can see there are some features: reCAPTCHA, Google, Eximoit, general contact, and others. Here you can see some issue solved. Interesting thing is it is open source plugin, so you can use it totally free and without cost. They have two plugin you can use to store all information, and you can donate or contribute in this plugin. So we will discuss second part. Go to the dashboard, click on plugin and add new. In the charts bar, type plugin name, click on active. Then one option will appear. Just click contact form. Here the by default contact form showing. We will create a new one, so click on add new. Put the contact will and click save change. One shortcode is created, and where we paste it, form will show you. So we want to show this form, so go to the page and click add new. Type the page name and paste it in the description box, then click save. So here you can see the form, it is by default. We will customize the form, so just paste here, it is the text widget, and save. So we will visit our page, so it is added. Here showing text above the box. We will edit according to our desire. So above this you can see some fielded. If you click on this field, it will be added automatically. We will discuss about the file size and file format. File size and file format is important. So if we click on the file, here you can put the name and you can select the file size. It should be calculated as a bytes. Here I am putting 10 MB, and below this file format, whatever you put here, this file will be support here, JPG, PNG, or doc file, or MP3, or MP4, etc. Then click save change, then again click save, and then mail. Where will be stored this information? Just put the email and you correct the name. Here showing your name, and if you set this, then it will be show here by default showing. Just I am leaving it as by default. And if you want to show the some message by default message, and you can do it. Sometimes our login or file not submitted, so in that time you can show message. So write your message, name, email, subject, gender, message, general, then click here file attached. Just paste the code here and click save. In this message option, just you leave it the message. Just I am showing you, if any message don't show, this message inform the visitors. So I am customize the field if any message was successful. So I am typing the message. This message will show to visitor. Then click save and we will visit and send again. Now we will see our message is showing. Our field is added. So guys, if you have any question about this blog, please leave in the comment section. Thanks for watching.